I am acquainted with the news that COVID-19 pandemic caused by SARS-CoV-2 continues to manifest with severe acute respiratory syndrome among the people. Are there any updates about it?
Yes, I have a wonderful news for both of you. Not only for both of you, but for all the Foundry graduates.
What is it?
I think I have got some idea about the update that you want to disclose. Is it about the new upcoming opportunity for the PharmD graduates?
So guys, are you all interested for the news and updates that Samadip and Shivani have? Me also. So stay till the end of the video if you don't want to miss anything. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel PharmD Guider. We are your PharmD Guider, Anushree.
Soumyadip,
Shivani.
Let's get into our video's topic.
Yes, you know what? PharmD doctors and interns can now give their contribution in the fight against the pandemic of COVID-19.
That's really encouraging news for all the PharmD graduates.
wow! Now I can see a ray of hope for all PharmD doctors. The importance of PharmD doctors that was lacking is now being recognized by the government.
As I was going through the updates of COVID-19, I read this headline saying PharmD professionals to join in the fight against Karnataka.
Even I did some research on this and found that Dr. Gopinath K, KSPDA, Karnataka State PharmD Doctors Association, President of Karnataka, through email contact B. Shiramullu, the Health Minister of Karnataka, regarding utilization of PharmD doctors and interns in the fight against pandemic COVID-19.
Then what did they decide about it?
PharmD doctors should have been given role in this fight against COVID-19 since they have studied all subjects of MBBS and MD pharmacology like pharmacotherapeutics, community pharmacy, clinical toxicology, pharmacology, anatomy and physiology, pathophysiology, biochemistry, clinical research, except surgery. They have qualified the 6 years clinical oriented course in 1 year of internship in tertiary care hospital along with clinicians.
Yes, of course. I have another news as well. The Indian Pharmaceutical Association has written to the governments of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and West Bengal to engage PharmD graduates in the control measures being carried out by various health authorities against the spread of contagious virus.
Which students are being involved in it?
The IPA president Dr. T.V. Narayan has appealed to government to utilize the potency of clinical pharmacists, PharmD, and of those 5th and 6th year students to contribute in this fight.
Yes, he said that they can help us in this situation by assisting in the healthcare activities, thus the central and state government can reduce the shortage of workforce in the healthcare system for countering the menace of the virus across the country.
Any other updates on this about other states?
Pharmacy graduates in Nagpur, Maharashtra are also eager to join the medical workforce of the state in fight against COVID-19. They are not allowed to treat patients currently.
Doctor of Pharmacy Association in state has appealed to CM Uddhav Thackeray and Health Minister Rajesh Tope to allow them to join frontline healthcare services for COVID-19 patient care.
All of this sounds amazing. It seems the government is gradually recognizing the importance of PharmD doctors.
Is there any advice that you are willing to give to the students who have currently passed out of schools and are aspiring to join this course?
Doctor of Pharmacy course is a practice-oriented program after plus 2 which includes 5 years of academic studies and 1 year of internship or residency in hospitals.
So, all those aspiring students who want to get into the Doctor of Pharmacy course should apply to PCI recognized colleges. PCI means Pharmacy Council of India. This is the only doctoral degree which can be pursued right after passing 10 plus 2 qualifying examination. Moreover, PharmD can also be pursued by B.Pharm students by seeking admissions to lateral entry course, that is PharmD post-baccalaureate. Candidates must have passed class 12 board exams from recognized board with physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics.
For more PharmD related videos, case presentations, diseases, new inventions and discoveries in the pharma field, subscribe to our channel.
Promote us by hitting on the like and share button below. And also comment below and help us to know about your queries. Stay safe and stay happy, and please maintain the COVID-19 disease precaution and cooperate to destroy the coronavirus. Thank you.